is for alpaca. Alpaca. Fluffy and soft with shiny hair, smiling sweetly without a care. B is for bear, B barefoot, big and brown, strong and tall. He loves to climb and loves to call. C is for capybara, C capybara. Sits by the river in the sun, swimming and chilling, having fun. D is for dolphin, D dolphin load, jumping high above the sea, so smart and friendly as can be. E is for emu, play, running fast on sandy ground with fluffy feathers all around. F is for fennec fox, fennec fox, tiny and cute with ears so wide, hiding in the desert to stay.